Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. For this video, we have our Ipsy Glam bag plus Ipsy Glam bag plus. I think it's just called the Ipsy Glam bag. So this is what we have for this video, and it is for the month of September. So for those of you that don't know about this subscription, it is a $10 a month. Well, actually, I think they might have just changed the price. I think this is now $12. This is $12 a month, and you are set to get 4 to 5. No, I think you get 5 samples, 5 deluxe size samples in here, plus a little cosmetic bag, a little makeup bag. You get one each month, and that is what we have for this month. So let's just get in it and see what they give us for this month. It has a pretty good, weight to it, so I'm excited to see. So let me pull it out loud, and I really like this bag. So on this side, it's just plain. You have your Ipsy word over here. And then on this side, you can see all the stars and you can connect them. And you can see all of the formations up with the stars. And it is a nice like canvas bag. And one thing that we got outside, so usually when all the items don't fit in here, they'll just go ahead and throw it in your pink bag, like on the side, because this was not going to fit in here. So let's start with this one. So here we have a bag from, not a bag, we have a brush, a Farrah brush. Farrah tends to be very popular in the Ipsy bag and the box. So we have the brush Contour 218M. Honestly, I don't like the feeling of this one. It's soft, but it doesn't feel like it'll grab onto product very well. I'm not sure. That's what it feels like. It is a very nice looking brush. That's what it looks like there. I like that the bristles are a dark blue, not a color that you normally see. And then the handle has like a different like shape to it as well. It's a very pretty brush. I just don't know if it's gonna be the best at applying. And then it says contour. I don't know if I would use this for contour. This is a little bit small for me, but once you try it, you get to see if it works or not. So that is our first one there. Now let's go in here. Oh, I just noticed they made the little zipper look like a little tiny crystal. That's super cute. So let's go in here and see what else we have. So with every package, you get a little pamphlet giving you information about the products that you have in here. And there's no full-size prices or anything. It's pretty much just information, just in case you're wondering or you don't know how to use a specific item. So let's get our first one out. And again, not the first time we received this. This one's actually very popular in subscription boxes. And we have something from Briogeo. It is an expensive brand, but we get these in our boxes all the time. So we have the Don't Despair, Repair, Strength plus Moisture Leave-In Mask. I use all of them. I do have really wavy hair. So whenever I'm out of the shower, this is actually what I put on my hair before I do anything else to it. So they do come in very, very handy. I actually have not had to buy one of these in a really long time because they just keep coming in the boxes just every single time. It never fails. But I do get really good use of these. So I'm actually pretty happy that it's in here. Up next, what is this one here? It almost looks like an eyeliner. Let's see what it is. Oh, I was wrong. It's from La Beauté. What does it say here? La Beauté Fatale Cosmetics. It is a matte liquid lipstick and Tough Love. So, nope, that's not it. There you go. So it says it's a liquid lipstick, not what I'm used to seeing. We have a little brush here. And then this end that I'm assuming is, yep. So I thought this was the lid. There's no type of instruction, to let you know which one's the tip and which one's the bottom. So Did I break it? Oh no. Oh, wait, it's getting tighter. Oh, I see it. Oh, I thought it was, okay. So it's, the color's coming up. So oh no, now it doesn't stop. It's gonna keep coming out. Uh-oh, I think I did it too much. It's just going. Oh no, I think I did it too much and there's no way of going back. So that it's just coming out. I mean, might as well not let it go to waste. Let me take this off. Oh no, it's still just going. It's really chunky. It feels weird. Okay, so don't do what I did. I kept winding it until I saw it come out. Once I stopped, I think it was too late. I think it's still coming out. I messed up. It's a matte color and it is more on the purple side. Ignore how it goes with this eyeshadow that I have because, you know, they don't go together. But once you have it on, now it's really messy. But once you have it on, it feels actually really, really smooth. It doesn't transfer, which is awesome. Now, I wonder if it's going to be long lasting. So I'm just gonna leave it on. I mean, don't wind it so much. Be patient. Let's go in. We just have, I think, 2 things left. I'm gonna grab this one next, and it is from Phase Zero, and it is a velvet pressed eyeshadow. This is our packaging here. We don't have a shade name on the outside, so let's look at what color it is. This is our packaging from the inside, just a black with white letters. Yeah, there's no name on here unless violet is the color, perhaps. Okay, so if this would have been a different color, I think I would have been a little bit more excited, but this is the color that we have. It's still a nice color. It is just that it seems like every time I get a single eyeshadow pan in my Ipsy bag, it's always purple. I don't know why, and it's always purple and shimmery. Like I said, it is a nice color. I like it, but I already have something very similar to this. That is the color there. And I do think that velvet is actually the eyeshadow name or the color. So that's what I have here. It is a like metallic color. It's really, really nice, but I don't need any more. I think with one I have enough. This is a probably like the third that I've gotten in my bags. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. Let's get in here for our very last one. And I was actually saving this one for last because it looks to be a full size. And we have something from Ofra. It's broken? Oh, it's broken. So it broke from there. So the lid just comes off. This is a huge pan. And what do we have here? We have a blush in the shade Sweet Stuff. It looks like it's a really, really pretty shade. That's it there. I'm so disappointed that it's broken. I'm gonna see if maybe I can super glue it together because this little piece is actually still attached to the bottom part. So if I can super glue the lid back onto here, maybe I'll still be able to use it. It'll probably be a little bit more fragile, but I just don't want to lose the top to it and then, you know, have my pan here break. So let's see the color. Oh, that's really pretty. It's more of a on like the pink-ish side. That's it there. It's really, really pretty. So I'm excited to use this one. So this blush here from Ofra was the very last product from our box. I think we For this one here, I'm not sure how I feel because this one just went crazy on me. This one, I already have purple metallic eyeshadows. This brush, I don't know how I feel about these bristles. I really have to try it out before I can say if I like it or not. And this is a repeat that I have seen in so many other boxes. The only one that I would have been excited about and happy about would have been the blush. But the fact that it came broken, not happy. So let me know what you guys think down below. I know Ipsy has so many different variations of their bags. And I don't know. I wish I could have gone something different. So, yeah. That's all. I'm sad. I'm going now. Let me know what you guys think down below. That is all I'm going to say for this bag for today. I hope next month is better. And I'm done. I hope I will see you guys next time. Bye.